Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another session of the Backyard Farmer. It looks like another busy 1 hour here in the backyard, so if you would like to telephone your questions about your yards, your trees, your shrubs, your ornamentals, plant diseases, insects, and what have you, why dial Hemlock 27631 and ask for the Backyard Farmer. That's Hemlock 27631. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our first color visit here on Backyard Farmer. And tonight we're celebrating the Backyard Farmer's 20th year on television and the dedication of the new Nebraska Telecommunications Center.
Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Backyard Farmer. Tonight we're live at the Nebraska State Fair.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Backyard Farmer. I'm Peggy Lowe, filling in for regular host Jim Randall.
Good evening everyone, and welcome to another edition of Backyard Farmer. I'm your host, Reggie Carlson.
Hello, and welcome to another edition of Backyard Farmer. I'm John Fesh, and we're glad that you could join.
1953, 70 years ago. Can you imagine what it must have been like to try to figure out how to create a live television show in this venerable old temple building at a time when television had just barely been invented? There was no such thing as digital media, digital cameras, social media. It was just a great idea on the part of the land-grant university to answer all of those questions from an audience about landscapes, lawns, pests and diseases, and do it on live television. The Capitol is surely the most beautiful building in the entire state of Nebraska, and of course it is the People's Building. So all the richness of history, all 93 counties which are represented in the building itself, and all of the interesting history and the richness of humanity tied to the land. Backyard Farmer has the same reach, all 93 counties and beyond, and we go as wide and far with that science-based information as the Capitol is high. So we just enjoy bringing to you everything that makes your garden grow, makes your life so much more interesting in the state of Nebraska. One of our best creations is our Backyard Farmer garden. It's a little over a decade old now, and we've been able to demonstrate all of those best practices, show you what we do wrong so you don't have to, let you enjoy all those pests and critters and the beautiful plants, because we are open all the time, 365, 24/7. You get to come stroll, enjoy, look at whether spring has sprung, and decide what you would like to take home yourself. The best things in life are family and friends and all those partners, whether it's plants and people, or somebody like our Nebraska Public Media partner. The show is what it is because we work so well together, and we work really hard. We've lasted 70 years because of all that hard work. We are ready to start the season again. We want you to come on in and enjoy it with us. Happy birthday to us.